it's what Sri wanted to go there.
Yes, I have seen. Sorry,
It's okay, sir.
girls to accommodate them. Oh, you are from here only. Tell me, what is your opinion about Padmanabha Swami Temple being the richest temple in India? Is it a pride for you?
Yes, of course, it's a pride, and I think we can utilize that treasure for public purpose. I mean, we can convert it into a museum and separate level.
Do you think that will create chaos in the Hindu society available?
So I think it will be pride for them to showing off the cultural heritage of our.
Once you utilize, where do you think the cultural heritage is? It will be vaulted in that. You're understanding how they can drill down you and make you slide something. Don't get into that. First thing, don't go continuously along with the flow. Somewhere you make it a stop. Now, this is your third attempt.
Fourth attempt, I have to relate
6 to 17, 18.
and 19.
Means you went in 18, huh? In 18 also you appeared for
Yes,
this.
yes, sir.
19 is when you have played. So total 4 attempts.
Yes, sir.
What was your optional?
Malayalam.
Malayalam. What is your opinion about this Madhavi Kuti?
Madhavi Kuti.
Kamala Suraya, they call it. What is your opinion about it?
So Madhavi Kuti is one of the famous women writers in Malayalam. And she has also written English poems, and her several works are in Malayalam language, especially her autobiography named My Story. Actually, it changed the way people write autobiographies in Malayalam.
You are a BSc Physics graduate. Jumping from science to literature, don't you think that is a huge difference?
So, actually, I have interest in Malayalam language, so that's why I took it.
So you haven't done a BA in Malayalam literature or BSc Physics?
So at the time of my plus 2, I have developed an interest in science, so I just took BSc Physics.
Then you suddenly lost it.
No, sir. Actually, after completing degree, I was planning to join government service. I have prepared for many PSC examinations, and meanwhile, I understood that it will take some 2-3 years to get into government service through Kerala Public Service Commission. So, a course came into my mind. I stumbled upon the course named Master of Social Work. There was only one university providing it in the government sector, so I applied for there and joined.
So currently you are an employee of government already.
Yes, sir.
What do you think the different demands about getting pay rise, etc. are going on? What do you think? What is your opinion about that? How continuously these demands can be met?
So employees need an incentive, and the most possible incentive is in the form of salary. And with this continuing demand, only I think the government accept these pay revisions. And
What is your opinion about this rampant corruption in the government employees? Do you think it will do any good to the society?
of course, it is not going to be any good to society, but corruption is a fact in the government. We have to address that through this kind of pay hike and everything.
What is your opinion about this particular thing? Your second option is IFS or IPS?
IFS.
IFS. So what is your opinion about India and Myanmar relations? Recently there were certain bans for oil from Myanmar by India. What is your opinion? Is it conducive to your Asian environment?
So, I don't know the facts about this oil importance and those kind of issues. But I think Myanmar is an important partner for India because of India is going to be a power in Asia for the 21st century. For the Asian century, we call it as an Asian century. So Myanmar is an important partner. But there are some issues like the Rohingya migrants. So we have to collaborate with Myanmar as well as Bangladesh for repatriating these migrants.
Make notes for the times. Make notes. First. hand gesture, single hand is only being used, second hand also can be used. Second, international relations need to be refreshed. Third, Malayalam literature need to be further refreshed. Fourth, etiquettes, especially ethics in governance, need to be refreshed since the candidate is a government. These are the four areas where you need to solidly concentrate. Remaining all things will go on because you have appeared, you understand. Now you don't know the questions you will have. You understand why you kept short because of your interview. Because the way you are interacting, there only I got the opinion. This fellow can clear. But the problem is, now interview I'm getting, these are the main points. Hand gesture only this hand. Why not? Small, not like this. He kept it. Okay, hand gestures. Created, keep. Created, keep. That movement will create certain amount of affinity towards the candidates and the next. International relations, your second option is IRS scholars. No. Moreover, your corruption, the way you are terminating is, sir, it is imbibed in the system, why do you do? No sort of meaning is coming. So,
And an optimistic, futuristic vision has
yes,
to be.
you should provide that. That is when you concentrate exactly.
So, how do I improve my confidence? That was the remark I got from all of my 5 mock interviews.
Your confidence is good. The problem is
So,
your data. When anybody will lack confidence, why am I able to sit in and address this here? Because my data is good. Lack of confidence will come because of some other factor called lack of data. Because the data is not.
is it important to have that factual information?
No, but relevant data. Why we cut down the imports from Myanmar? That was the question. But you went up to Rohingya crisis. Actual question was economic based. Now you entered into social factors. Then NPR will come, CA come, NRC comes, interrelate.
That was an intentional question framed by you to check whether I am deviating from it.
Understand that?
Yes, sir.
Don't fall into the trap. You fall directly you fell.
Yes.
And as if it's an open well,
Because
you
I-
came and jumped into the.
I haven't known anything about India-Myanmar relationship. That was
You are choosing second option. So yes. You should know. In paper 2, international relations is there. And if you say that I don't know, don't even think about using that. That's all. But my humble request, this is short and sweet, this is the data. Now you are questioning the 5 interviews, I don't know what they told. It is not the confidence that is lacking you,
so.
it is the factual data which creates the confidence that is lacking.
During one-on-one sessions, it is okay. But when
Do you think either one-on-one or with the panel? Simple thing. Because when you have mastered your data, nobody can beat you because you have confidence. I know my data is correct. When your data is correct, who will beat you? Confidence will automatically come. Understood? That's why confidence develops. Because you will have somewhere in that psychosis. I'm saying something wrong. I'm saying something wrong. Slowly.
So I have one more question.
Please.
Did you know anything about Madhavi Kuti? Yes. Okay. And how was my answer to that question?
You related his literary works, but she is a hardcore feminist of Kerala. That point you missed. She is a proponent of guiding light for the feminism in Kerala. You missed it. I know. I come prepared for this.
Okay, sir.
Anyway.
Thank you.
Thank you.